Octavia, why you haven't been calling me or answering my calls them? What wrong with you? From Honeybun, you just move away with me. And I like walk one.
Maybe I just don't. Maybe I just don't want to talk to you. How about that, Anthony? Eh?
But why? Me and you been best friends since we were a little baby. Why you don't want to talk to me? Whoa, you vexed you me have a baby or that? Just tell me walk one. Octavia. Yes, me I talk to you. Where you walk away from me for? Like, what do you where you move so far? Just all a reason with me now, Octavia. That's all me I ask you for. Me I beg you.
You always love play like say you're innocent, like say you never do me on Anthony. That's something I like about you. You know what you do.
I'm my best friend. So I think I could have come to you and talk to you about anything. Whatever I do, I'm sorry. I just want me and you to be good, that's all. Please, just talk to me.